Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIYs channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my nourishing clove oil that help stimulate hair growth and fight dandruff and itchy scalp. So I'll be using clove oil and also clove hair rinse, which I've shared in one of my previous video. You might want to check it out. I'm going to leave a card right here. So I've been using this for some time now, and I've seen lots of changes on my hair and on my scalp. It helped stop itchy scalp, dandruff, and also promote hair growth. So clove boosts blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes hair growth. It is enriched with vitamins and minerals that enable the hair thrive. Clove oil can also help fight dandruff. I'm saying this because it helped me in getting rid of dandruff. Clove contain antioxidants that prevent free radicals from causing damage to the hair. So to make my clove hair growth oil, I'm gonna pour the dry cloves in a measuring cup and pour it in a container. So now I'm going to transfer the cloves into the small glass jar. I'm going to put everything in here and then add olive oil to cover the cloves. You can decide to use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use soybean oil, you can use sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil. There are lots of oils you can use, but for my clove oils, I usually use olive oil to infuse the oil. So I prefer olive oil, but other carrier oils work fine as well. So now I'm gonna mix everything together, and after mixing together, I'm gonna close the lid and place it in a dark place. So what I'll do every 2 days is to shake the bottle to help infuse the oil. So I would not advise you to put this bottle in front of a sunny window, or to put it in a very hot place. Is because of oxidation. We don't want the oil to go rancid, because I'm not adding a vitamin E oil right now. So I would advise you to just put it in a dark place, okay? So this is 2 weeks after. What I'm gonna do right now is to sift my oil. So I'm gonna sift the oil and put it in a bottle.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
So right now I'm measuring out my vitamin E oil, which is also known as tocopherol. So guys, when making hair oil, use tocopherol, which is a form of vitamin E. Is a pure form of vitamin E. It is very good when you add it to your oils or your hair butters, you know, because it really prevents oxidation. It prevents the oil from going rancid. Okay, so I will also be adding a few drops of essential oils. I'll be adding clove oil and also a few drops of rosemary oil. This is optional, but I always prefer to do this, and you can do it as well. You can use different types of essential oils like frankincense, sandalwood, lavender, thyme, chamomile essential oils. So I'm just going to mix everything together and transfer my oil into a bottle.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
So guys, the clove oil is ready. I love the smell. I love the smell, and this is it. Make sure you apply it to your hair after you use a leave-in conditioner. Oil is not a moisturizer, so after using your moisturizer, apply your clove oil to seal in the moisture, and that's it. So you can use it on your hair, you know, 3 times a week. That is fine. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. If you have any suggestion, if you have, you know, any video you want to see, any tutorial or recipe you want to see, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.